Hi guys, welcome to the CATWay. So in this video, we are going to solve our daily set. So let us move ahead and check out the set. So what we have been given is that the travel agency called Pleasant Travels operates AC and non-AC buses between the 6 most happening cities of Paradise Land. Now the table given below lists each pair of cities between which the buses operate and the distance between them. All right. Now the passenger takes only those routes for traveling where they don't have to change the bus more than once to reach the destination. Okay. So only once they have the possibility of changing the bus. Okay. Now the cost of traveling between two cities depends on three factors: boarding city, the kind of bus, that is AC or non-AC, and the distance between the two cities. The fare of AC buses is 2 rupees per kilometer if starting from P, R, and U, and 2.2 rupees per kilometer if starting from QST, whereas the fare of non-AC buses is 1 rupees per kilometer starting from QTU and 1.2 rupees per kilometer starting from PRS. Okay, so that has been given. Okay, chalo, let's move to the questions directly then. So the first one is that what is the minimum amount that a passenger has to pay for traveling P to T if she does not want to travel in non-AC bus? So you have to basically travel in an AC bus. Okay, and you have to go from P to T. Okay, so P to T, the first route could be directly from P to T. Okay, directly you can go from P to T. Okay, that will be 195. Okay, that will be 195 distance. Okay. Then the other route guys can be, acha, now you see what are the buses that go to T. So one bus is S and one bus is from Q. Okay, one from S and one from Q. So you can go to those places, right? You can go to those places. Hai. So let us go to those places. So if you go from P to Q, then you can go to T. Okay. And now P to Q is 90 and P to T is what? Sorry, P to Q is 90 and Q to T is 95. So total becomes 185. Okay. Then the second option is you go from P to S and from S you go to T. So total distance over here is P to S ka 100 and S to T ka 80. So total distance becomes 190. Okay. Total distance becomes 190. Okay. Then if there is any other possibility, okay. So TU also you can go. Okay. So go to P from P you go to U, and from U you go to T. So total is 115 plus 85, that is 200. Okay. Now talk about the rates. So if bus is starting AC buses, they're starting from P. So starting from P, it will take 2 rupees. Okay. So it will take to 390 rupees. Similarly, from P to Q again it is going. Okay. P to Q it is going. So P to Q if it is going, then P to Q is what, 90 kilometers. So for 90 kilometers they will charge 2 rupees. Okay. And then from Q to T it is 95, and for that they were charged 2.2 rupees. So total what they are going to charge? Total they are going to charge 389 rupees. Okay. Now, okay. Now PS. Okay, so PS is basically what? 110. So they will charge 220 rupees up till here. And S to T it is 80. So S to T it is 80. They will charge 2.2 rupees. Okay, so 80 into 2.2 plus 210. 220. Yeah. So total they are charging 396. Okay. And for PUT, what is happening? So PU they are charging 115 into 2, that is 230 rupees. And from U you are traveling, so 85 kilometer ke 2.2 rupees. So they are going to charge ultimately 412 rupees. So the minimum cost is 389. So the correct answer becomes option number B. Okay, correct answer becomes option number B. Moving on to the second one. Now the second one says what is the minimum distance a passenger has to travel if she wants to go to U from Q by using bus service of Pleasant Travels. So boss, you have to go to U from Q. Okay. So Q say what are the possibilities, boss? Okay. From Q you have the possibility of going to R. Okay. And from R you can go to U. Okay. So R you can go to U. Then you have the possibility by P. Q say you go to S. Okay. Q say you go to S, and from S you go to U. Okay. Then you have the possibility of Q से चले जाओ T, from T you go to U. ठीक है. Then you have the possibility of Q to U directly. ठीक है. So 4 cities are done and QR is done, QS, QT, QU is done. One is left, that is P to Q. ठीक है. So basically you can go from Q to P, and from P you can go to U. Now talk about the distance. So was QR is 75 and RU is 110. QS is 115, SU is 60. ठीक है. QT is basically 95, TU is 85. QU directly, if you go, you will go 190, and if you go PU, you go 90, and from PQ you go to 90, and PU you go to 115. So let's see the total. So boss, what is happening over here is, you see, this is what, 185. Now this is what, 115 plus 175, 9717, 180. This is 190, and 115. This is 205. So the maximum distance, minimum distance it is asking. So 175 is the minimum distance. Option number A becomes the right answer. Now moving on to the third one. Which route should a passenger take to travel from R to S to keep the cost of traveling lowest? Okay, so if you go from A to RQ, so RQ is, guys, RQ is 75. Okay, and lowest possible it is talking about, right? Lowest possible it is talking about. So lowest possible will be non-AC buses. Okay, non-AC buses. So was R say Q you go 1.2 rupees. Okay, plus Q2S if you go 115 rupees. So Q2S they will charge 1 rupees. Okay, they will charge 1 rupees. Now total cost is going to be what? 115 plus 75 into 1.2. Okay, so total they are going to charge what? 205. For the second route, RUS. So RU is what? RU is 110. So for that they are going to charge 1.2 rupees. Okay, they are going to charge 1.2 rupees. And after that, what you have? After that, what you have from U to S? So U to S is basically 60. And from U to S, if you are traveling, so again 1.2 rupees for this. Okay, so the total money that you have to give is 60 into 1.2. Add up, total you have to give is 204. Okay. Third is either A or B. So that's not happening because obviously B is better, and none of these, that's also not the right answer. Option number B becomes the right answer. So with this, the set is complete, and hope you are able to understand the set well, guys. Thanks for watching the video.